Welcome, I'm your host Elizabeth DeRazio, coming to you from the brand new location of the Sugar River Bank, where hometown banking is now available right in the capital city. I'm joined by someone who I've worked with for years. This is Ken Gould of Old Patriot Title in the law offices of Gould & Gould. And Ken, you have a lot on your plate and you cover a lot of breadth of legal work. First of all, being the title work you do.
Sure, well, pleasure being here, by the way, and what a beautiful location, nice new bank. Love being here, so thanks for having me.
Anytime.
So a little about us. We are a mixed business, so I have a couple of different businesses. One's a title company called Old Patriot Title and Closing Services, Inc., which was established in 1995 and is owned by my brother and I, who are the law office of Gould & Gould as well. So
it is family run.
That's right. So we have a law office and a title company that sort of coexist together. Our home office is in Londonderry, but we service all of Maine, New Hampshire, and Massachusetts, and tend to do closings anywhere from Cape Cod to Springfield to Bangor and Berlin. So travel the territories. One of our regions here is Concord and also Western New Hampshire. So thanks for having us up here. And
now, when it comes time to a title closing, there's a lot of components to that. One of the things that you offer at your firm, which is the advantage, is on-site attorneys who are able to fix anything or catch it right away.
That's correct. We do have 7 attorneys in the firm and in the title company, including my son, who's a first-year attorney, by the way.
Still in the family.
Basically, title companies do different things. Some are good at one thing, some are good at the other. We sort of pride ourselves in being able to, get titles to real estate done early, identify problems, work out the problems, help both realtors and mortgage lenders and bankers, sort of clear the title so that the transaction can go well. And we also are flexible in where and when we do the closing. So we're more than happy to do them in different places and adjust to the different needs. Sometimes we'll split seller closing one part of the day and a buyer closing another part of the day. Really whatever it takes to make the transaction work. Customer friendly, and working, it's not sort of the old fashioned we're the lawyers, you come to us and whenever we want you do the thing. We're sort of working for you. So,
which is important.
Yeah.
And another thing that your law firm offices at Gould & Gould offer is estate planning.
That's correct. We have an attorney, Justin Belair, who's our estate planning attorney, and also does a little commercial real estate stuff. And we do a lot of bankruptcy work and business formation and business organization, helping people start businesses and run their businesses. So we have a sort of some landlord-tenant matters. We've done a lot over the years. We've sort of eased off of family law and criminal law, but I've done that too in stages of my practice. So.
Now, is there an advantage to having that family attorney where you're going to sell the house and it's in an estate, and having the same group of people carry you through that process?
Yes, I think so. Basically, when someone's, whether it's a person buying or selling or a realtor suggesting they use us as a company, when issues hit, it's nice to be able to service all of those issues, because a real estate transaction brings in sometimes anything that exists in life.
Everything, everything, divorce, bankruptcy, previous title, what happened?
I've actually had to travel to jails to get signatures because the spouse was in jail and was selling the house. So there's basically anything that could happen will happen in a real estate transaction, and a lot of times the sellers are unaware when they're selling that these issues are going to pop on them. Buyers are unaware of the issues that are going to approach them. So a lot of times buyers decide to buy their property in a trust, and they've not created the trust, so we'll form the trust for them as part of the transaction. So
sounds like wonderful family-run business, working together. Yeah, good all together. And you will come where we need you when we need you.
That's true, and a pleasure to be asked.
Anytime. So if you're looking for a title company or that law firm that can help you out with your estate planning, check out Old Patriot Title and the law offices of Gould & Gould.